Okay, so now what we have to do is prove to Dr. Titleot's boss that we can apply variables, not just define them. Let's look at the directions. It says, read the information below regarding a diaper trial at P&G, then answer the questions below. The next part says, Stink B Gone diaper product trial. A few weeks ago at P&G, materials engineer Dr. Pooh created the first ever Luvs diaper that completely vanishes all smells the moment babies go to the bathroom inside of them. The smell is completely eliminated for up to 24 hours. To test the effectiveness of what he calls Stink B Gone diapers, she followed these procedures. Here are Dr. Pooh's procedures. Step 1. Gather 3 separate brands of diapers: Pampers diapers, Luvs Original diapers, and Luvs Stink B Gone diapers. All diapers should be the same size. Step 2. Soil each diaper with 20 milliliters of a Pooh mixture. Step 3. Let the diaper sit for a period of 24 hours. Each hour, run a smell test on the diapers. Volunteers will rate each diaper on a scale from 0 to 5. 0 will represent no odor, and 5 will represent a foul odor. Step 4. Conduct 20 trials of the above procedures and average out the data to improve accuracy. Dr. Pooh completed this experiment. His results are outlined below. It says Pampers, Luvs Original, Luvs Stink B Gone. Average smell rating. Pampers is 3, Luvs Original is 2, Luvs Stink B Gone is 0. The first question says, what are the constants in the experiment above? Well, let's take a look at the constants. Again, these are the variables that are the same. So let's check it out. What is the same in this experiment? I see here it says all diapers should be the same size. That's probably constant number 1. This one says soil each diaper, so every diaper gets 20 milliliters of a Pooh mixture. Okay, that's probably a constant number 2. This one says let the diaper sit for a period of 24 hours. So it looks like all the diapers have to sit for 24 hours. It also looks like every diaper gets a smell test. Also, it looks like 20 trials will be ran, all of which are the same. All of these, more than likely, are the constants. Now let's take a look at the next part. It says, what is the independent variable? Again, this is what is different in an experiment. Different. Typically, the experimenter decides what's different to test it. In this case, it looks like it's the type of diaper that they're testing. So the type of diaper, of course, each time you run the trial, is different. We have the diaper that Dr. Pooh is testing, a diaper that Dr. Pooh can kind of compare it to, same brand, different type, and Pampers. So again, the type of diaper should be the independent variable in this case. Now let's take a look at the next one. The next one says dependent variable. What is the dependent variable in this experiment? The dependent variable is what we measure at the end of the experiment. It looks like in this case we are testing for the average smell rating. That's what we're measuring after we put the Pooh mixture in every single one of these diapers. Again, the dependent variable in this case is the average smell rating. Now let's take a look at the very last question, which says, was the product trial successful? How do you know? Well, let's take a look at these numbers. They'll probably give us a clue. It says up here that each diaper was rated on a scale from 0 to 5. 0 was no odor, 5 was a foul odor. Now it looks like the average for the Luvs Stink B Gone was 0, which means no odor. Love's Original has a bit of a worse rating, that's a 2, assuming that means maybe there was somewhat of an odor there. And Pampers had a very strong odor, at least compared to the other two. So I would probably say that this product trial definitely is successful because Love's Stink Be Gone got an average rating of 0, which is no odor.